Hey everyone, hi, I am Arnab and welcome back to another vlog. And for today's vlog, we are going to talk about this awards. Now, first, let's talk about this award. So, I got this award from my road track club, which I was part in my college, and this award signifies that I was the road tractor of the month for March. Now, here's the funny thing about me getting awards. So, whenever I get an award, which by the way is very few, whenever I get an award, I am actually never able to receive it on the stage. Yes, every time I've got an award, I have just collected by my friend or even after the event or something like that, because I'm just never ever present whenever I'm getting an award. And most of the cases this happens is because I just don't expect myself winning anything. Now that doesn't mean that I'm saying this in a very humble way that oh no, I don't win awards, but I do. I really don't win awards. This is like the second trophy that I've got. Other than that, I have actually gotten one more plate you can say, like where I've won something, but I won it in school, so a long time back. Other than that, I do have won a lot of competitions like writing competitions, and other than that, but yes, trophies or something like that, I haven't collected much. And a lot of you might be on the same situation like me. You might have not won a lot of things, you might not have won anything yet, or maybe you have won a lot of things. But the thing is that what are these achievements like? Do they really mean something? Now, if you ask me, I think awards do mean something. They are not worthless, and I'm not saying this in this way that it is a society status. Actually, awards mean a personal note. It is for you mainly, that every day when you look at this memento, you remind yourself of that obstacle that you overcame. But again, do you really need something to remind you of the obstacles or the potential that you have? Well, in some cases yes, but in a lot of cases no. Not every day I take this out and look at it and remind myself, oh, I've conquered something very important. No, every day I have different kind of a situation, different kind of challenges that I really need to overcome. Like, let's take this vlogging thing for an example. I haven't got any physical way to show you like I have achieved something. I'm on YouTube, but there are so many things that I've gotten, like so many beautiful comments, messages, and things and experiences that I've got while doing YouTube and vlogging and etc. Making video is my hobby, but it also gave me a recognition. Like, people recognize me because of this, and it really means a lot, and something that just cannot be quantified in this way. So yes, I know I haven't got the YouTube silver play button or a gold silver play button. So, but that doesn't mean that I am not someone who is very happy with what I have achieved on YouTube. Whatever I've done it with a lot of hard work, and I have learned so many things along the way. I have learned to develop my personality in a way. I've learned to talk to camera, editing stuff, writing, and that's why I think like awards like these, although they are not overrated, but they are definitely not something that will define you or define you in the terms of the society hierarchy or anything else. You define yourself. I will just say that if you really want to feel like a winner, if you really want to feel like you have to have a win every day, then just go out and do something that challenges you. And I don't mean start a channel, start a reels Instagram page or this or that, go for the social media fame. No, challenge something within you, like your fitness, like your skills, like your knowledge, anything like that that you haven't yet conquered. Learn a new language if you can. Become fit. Give yourself 1 year where you are just focusing on your physical health. Go for that crazy diet, crazy workout schedule in lockdown. Just do what you can and get in the best shape that can be possible. And trust me, by the end of the year you will love to see the progress that you've done for yourself, and that is the greatest self-love that I know, because it's about knowing that when is the right time to push through those comfort zones and go for something extraordinary. Prove yourself, go for that extra mile. And that's what for me self-love means, because every time I've gone through a wall, I have told myself I can do it and I deserve it. And that's basically my thesis when about winning awards. Although I'm very thankful for this award, and of course I'm very grateful to receive it and have it every day and look at it. And it definitely made me proud of myself and makes my parents proud and all the people that I had associated with during my time being a member. I'm in good touch with them. They are my good friends. So it feels quite good. And I have such other awards like a medal from DU, certificates, and etc. etc. So I'm very happy with whatever I've got. They are a good reminder whenever I need them. But of course, I have much bigger goals and much bigger things to experience and much uh, di- different goals that I really need to prove myself. So, yes, for me, the journey is still going on. And on that note, I will end today's vlog. I hope you liked it. I hope you found it relatable or inspiring. And if you did, then do give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more vlogs, then definitely do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified with the latest uploads. Now, that's it for me. I'm Arnav. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.